literally just leaving the Lake District now, on our way to Preston. Where we're going today, Dad? Preston? Oh, we've never been to Preston before, have we?
Yeah.
Have we?
Yeah.
You are? We've looked at cars. Preston? Okay, right. I can't remember ever going to Preston. I know I've passed it, because you pass it on the way to Blackpool. We did think of going to Blackpool, but it's so tacky. And it's always freezing cold. You do? You come off this motorway, you roll round to the right and Preston's on your left. I'll prove it to you later on. Is the Blackpool turn off the same as the Preston turn off? Oh, look at that. Blackpool and Preston, next left. Junction 32.
So I was right.
Correct! I was correct.
I was right.
I was right.
No.
You said the Preston turn off was before the Blackpool turn off. You said it was the Tickle Trout.
You said it is the Tickle Trout one.
The Tickle Trout one is after the Blackpool turn off. This isn't the Tickle Trout.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
100% no.
It is.
Nah.
Bet you.
I 100% bet you. This is the one that goes off and round to Blackpool like that. Now, just go straight ahead so we can prove a point. So that's the Blackpool one.
Yeah, right.
Right. Oh, I know I'm right.
That's twice I've been wrong.
I know I'm right. You're going to be wrong again because the Tickle Trout is after this junction.
Yeah, well, I know it is now because I've technically
Now you do. Now you do.
It, haven't I?
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, I was wrong.
It's not very often he admits
When
that
you think
he was
about
wrong,
it,
like actually says it.
I never get out. I'm working all the time. Not like you, joyriding all the time.
What's that excuse all about?
Well, I don't know this road that well.
Oh.
But I should have thought because next junction's one for Manchester Airport, isn't it?
John, you know you're just being stupid, aren't you?
No,
Manchester.
Next one after this is for, is it 61?
It's M61,
Yeah.
but that's not the Manchester Airport turn off. The Manchester Airport, you go right past Manchester, don't you? Because it's on the south of Manchester. You go down to Hillary's Junction.
I like to go to scenic route.
Well, you've never gone the scenic route to the airport.
Well, it's
but
down
from
there.
now on, we'll go that
It's
way.
down there somewhere. 19, isn't it?
Preston and Clitheroe. M6, junction 22 to junction 21, 30-minute delay. We're not going
What
that
time does
far.
the shop shut today?
Well, it'll be 4 o'clock, won't it?
Can I make it?
You hope you can go that way to delay.
Can I make it spin out till 4 o'clock?
We don't have to buy anything, you know. We can just look. John gets terrified, like if we go into town when there's any shops open, he's going to have to spend some money.
Terrified, I come out in a cold sweat.
There's the tickled trout,
Yeah,
look.
well, this is where
There's
we're
the
coming
tickled
out.
trout over there.
Yeah.
Can't see it for all the trees, but we'll see it. There it is. Is it still a hotel? That it used to be a hotel. I've been in it.
You know, Premier Inn now or something like that.
I met someone there once when we were working. We met there and then drove to the job from the tickled trout, I think. What's going on there? We're turning right.
Right, I'm really then up on a hill. This is where you used to come for Declan's motocross stuff up here.
Ah, there's a police van thing.
Yeah.
Safety camera. Should be called a money grabbing camera. Preston, straight ahead. Slow down. Slow down. You're getting a bit carried away with yourself.
We're up there, aren't we?
Yeah. So we're looking for something to wear on my head for the wedding. What do you think about this? This is John's choice.
Right, I'm gonna go and get some to eat.
Look at all these phone boxes, I mean. That just shows how much my brain doesn't work these days. Lovely shop. I can see something very special. Oh, look at the staircase. I can see something very special down here. What is this? Ooh. Oh, oh, oh. Here we are. I could be wrong, but I think it's ancient wisdom. Got no smell. But they've probably been in there forever. And they've got a little tea area over here. Yeah, great, fabulous big table. Hmm? Lime Baslin Mandarin. Gentleman green soap. Smells like tea tree-ish. Oh, hit it up. I don't know that. Yeah, it's geranium, isn't it? Lavender and geranium. Eh? Which one we're going for? The gentleman. Go on, I'm going to throw it to you.
No, you can't.
Go on. You want me to throw this to you? Right. Make sure you catch it. Have a shower then. Where's the water?
Eating it.
Another place that needs a video. That is gorgeous in there. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. What have we got? Pork. Why not try it? Curries, breakfast buns. Omelets, chocolate potatoes, cheese toasty, cheese and tomato, cheese and onion, ham and cheese, chicken and cheese. Hi, we're just looking, thanks for now.
If you want, you can swap on the breakfast with something else.
Thank you. What do you think? We can have a walk down and a walk back. We'll walk down and have a walk back, see what there is. Okay. There's quite a few, like coffee bars, isn't there? Someone's brought the window in that one. They had a lovely salad up at that other shop.
That's where she come out.
No, you know the one I was looking in with the pink grasses in the window. What about Cafe Nero? They might do toasties in there. No? Bistro, this is impressive now. This is impressive. Bistro Pierre, 1994. What a beautiful building. I could be in Gay Paris. Another nice salad. I could eat that or not. Oh, we've got some beautiful lavender here. Just it's not real. Very nice. Bob and Bert's great grub. Coffee and cakes. Oh, yes, it is. I was thinking, where have I seen that before?
It was alright, like, wasn't it?
Yeah, we just got in there again. Yeah? Do you want to do that?
It was alright, wasn't it?
It was alright, yeah. There's another indoor shopping centre there. Fishergate. Yeah, I think we should just go on Bob and Bess when you find something good. Yeah.
Come on then.
Okay, that's mine. That's the Frenchie panini. Cheese, onions, chutney.
Oh, it's vinegar.
Is it brown sauce?
Yeah.
Just everything but the burger on there. Everything but the burger. How's your food, Tim? I mean, John.
Alright.
What about just a flower on the side of my head like that for the wedding? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, I think we'll go with that instead of a headband. Oh well, that's just about it for our trip to Preston. I don't know if we'll ever come back here, but it's been nice. So I'll see you all very soon for another video from me, Karen Morland, here at Eating Secret. Bye bye for now.
What about me?
What about you? How long are you going to sit there?
Tell you all.
You wanted it. So at least say bye-bye.
Yeah, it's all about me, this video. Taking all the glory. Get it all.
That means bye-bye.